1, 2, 3. Okay, that was my. I dropped her. So we're starting a book club, obviously.
You'll be prepared for this next midterm. I was like, there, like, oh, I don't.
Decided instead of just fitness, it's gonna be all of my many hobbies. Let me do a quick little outfit of the day. So I was at training today. Then in other news, I got this box from Book Outlet, it's called. This massive sale on fiction books, basically. They were $7.99, which is amazing. So I'm really excited to open that up. I'll open it up for you guys. I've been reading a lot. So I was thinking about doing a little book club, kind of book review. I'm excited about a lot of things. What time is it? 6:20. So we're still early in the day. I just got back from the city. I also have a few hauls for you. I have the books, I have Lego, and I have a POPMART box that I haven't opened because I wanted to show you guys too. It's just gonna be a hobby kind of haul video. Yeah, I don't know when the last time you guys saw the loft is, but we've added the poof. Bookshelf has filled up quite a bit. We have the TV here. I still need to hang it. Little calico critter, guys. I also have my big into energy Labubu. I have this plant, which is new. And I got this little lamp, which is so cute. Okay, I have these Lego sets still yet to build. So this one is a Mercedes-Benz one. And then that one, of course, is like Paul Walker's Skyline. And I just recently built Suki, and she's so cute. I loved it. I was hunting for it, and then my boyfriend found it, so I'm so happy. Ignore that for a second. These are the two books I've been reading at the moment. So I've been reading A Court of Winds and Ruin, which is hilarious because I'm pretty sure I started A Court of Thorns and Roses almost exactly a year ago. But I am 433 pages in. So I'm like almost 2/3 of the way in. I think this is like 700 pages. It's really good. It's like finally picking up. Like I've been waiting. Like we're almost at the war. There's so much going on. So I'm really excited. Physical books are just harder for me to get through because I have to carry this dictionary brick. And then on my Kindle, look at how cute my little pop socket is. I got this at like a market thingy. So cute, this little duck with a... And then we have all these stickers. My friend Megan got me this little capybara. But I've been reading The Pumpkin Spice Cafe. Okay, it does have some spice, but I think it's cute. Like I don't think it's like over the top. It's not crazy. It's not so like aggressive, you know. So I like it. Clearly I've been reading romance and fantasy. I think next I want to read a thriller. Maybe. I got a ton of books though from Book Outlet. I made my bed. I brought the boxes over. I have my Mercedes throw on the bed. I figured I'd use it. Let's start with POPMART. I have one more coming in. I got a Coca-Cola Labubu from the website. Just so crazy because I paid resale prices for my other two Labubus. Look at her. She's so cute. She's so big. Okay, I think I know which one it is because it was a pop now. Is that how people do it? Look at her. She's like a little snow angel. So freaking cute. Look at her. Oh my god. What a little cutie patootie. Okay, that was my... I dropped her. Shut the hell up. 1, 2, 3. We're really getting there. Oh my god, speaking of, I ordered one more thing. I ordered a Martha Stewart gardening book. Okay. 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 Oh, okay. So I bought the first Wizard of Oz, and then I found the second two on Amazon for 10 bucks. But now I got this one out of Oz, the final and fourth one. So I'll have the complete collection in my little library. First, Wicked, the fourth Wicked book. I was obsessed with the movie. I recently watched it way late. Is Apprentice to the Villain. I think, oh my god, this is insane. So Canadian regular price is $26.99 and I got it for $7.99. Are you kidding me? This is not an ad, but like if they want to sponsor me, hit me up. Yeah, Apprentice to the Villain. There's 3 in this series. I do have a bunch saved on Kindle Unlimited too. So we have a very heavy, thick TBR, but I'm determined. I'm determined this year to read my life away. A little coupon. We love a coupon. Next book is The Love of My Afterlife by Kirsty Greenwood. I've heard really good things about this. Everyone's talking about this. Plus, I just thought it was so like cutie patootie. But to find him in a city of millions, Delphine is going to have to listen to her heart and learn to ask for help and perhaps even see the magic in the life she's leaving behind. I'm really excited for this one. Ali Hazelwood, Love Theoretically. Everyone keeps talking about it. Both of these had these little Target stickers, so maybe this is like Target overstock. I don't know, but again, Canadian price $23. I got it for $7.99, which is fantastic. Can we look at how gorgeous this is? Can we look at the paper, like the little side bindings? Look at it. The inside cover. And then, ooh. So The Night Ends with Fire. Really good reviews. Oh, no, about The Maid. But The Maid, I think, is the newest one. I don't know. Another series. This one says US price $29. Again, I got it for $8. Next one. A Song to Drown Rivers. This one's new. Look at this beautiful. Look at this beautiful detail. Again, I'm a sucker for the cover. Okay? They said don't judge a book by its cover. I do. Look at this little foiled sword. And we have The Stars Are Dying. Again. Beautiful. Beautiful, shiny. So nice. Canadian price is $44 for this. Fourth Wing. Everyone's been talking about this series. Fourth Wing is the first one, obviously. We love a good map. I love when it shows the map. Will I remember the map? No. But I like it. That is my book haul. Wait. These are my books. These are my TBRs, my physical TBRs. Yeah, each one was $8, so I can help myself. I don't know restraint. I don't know my limits. I don't play within them. I'm so excited. So we're starting a book club, obviously. This one should not be that exciting, but I'll open it on camera anyway. A bathroom scale, which I do actually need. I've been borrowing my boyfriend's, and his is really like for sure not accurate. Like, yeah, it's a rose gold, very pretty. I'm excited. I don't know if it comes with batteries or not. I'll find batteries. And then I got this utility cart. So I'm gonna make a little TBR cart. And a moment for the Jellycats at golden hour, please. And curl me. Alright, so I actually got 2 more exciting deliveries of this little dress. Cute. It's Ralph Lauren. Yeah, I think it's so cute with the little collar and everything. I just got back from work. Pardon the rest of me. I went to work straight from the gym. Martha Stewart's Guide to Gardening, or Gardening Handbook, but isn't it beautiful? It's massive. It's so heavy, but it's so beautiful. I'm so excited. I want to do more intentional gardening. Luckily, I have like a very green thumb, so I've never really had to do so much planning or anything like that. But now is the time. The next one, this one's really exciting. I do have a code that I'm going to put down below, but it's from Primal Queen Beef Organ Vitamins. I've been wanting to take these for a long time. It's just good for you for so many different reasons. And I personally don't like the taste of liver. I've tried. How cute. This little jar, Primal Queen, take one with every meal. So there's I'm a Primal Queen little bracelet. And then this guy, I'm guessing it's like a little like pill holder, which is actually really nice because I take digestive enzymes with all my meals. So that's perfect. What to expect from Primal Queen. Hey Queen. In 1 week, likely lift in energy, mood, and cognition from vitamin B12, zinc, and copper. In 1 month, you'll have reduction in iron deficiency. In 2 months, abundance of B vitamins from beef organ leads to better mood, higher energy, healthier immune system. Reach optimal levels, which can result in optimal menstruation flows and properly balanced hormones, less menstrual cramps, and hot flashes. So excited to try these. 60 come in a pack. I'm not sure if I'm going to do 1 or 2 to start. Anyway, I'm excited. It comes in a little pack, so I'm assuming you just repurchase the pack and then you just refill your little jar here, which